Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to flash your iPhone camera to find it by Apple Watch. So let's say you misplaced your iPhone and now it is in the dark already. Now you want to find your iPhone by pinging your iPhone from Apple Watch to also turn on the camera flashlight on your iPhone. The next video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to flash iPhone camera from your Apple Watch to find it, all you need to do is go ahead, locate and click on the Control Center button just beneath the digital crown. Once you click on it once, this is going to open your Control Center. On the Apple Watch Control Center, then you want to swipe down or up, locate and click on the ring button. So if you click on it once, this is going to ring your Apple Watch. However, for you to be able to flash your iPhone camera from your Apple Watch, all you need to do is press and hold the ring button. You see that? So you just need to press and hold the ring button, and that is going to flash your iPhone camera. So you can use this to find your iPhone if you couldn't find where it is or misplaced and it's within your reach in the house or in the car, and you want the camera flashlight to flash so you can easily find your way there. Just go down, press and hold the ring button, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to flash iPhone camera from Apple Watch to find it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.